Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get Trendyol online shopping application in your device. So you have to go Google Play Store if you use Android phone and go to App Store if you use iPhone. So what you need to do, you can see the rating of the app 4.1 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is really amazing. And 1 million reviews, it means 1 million plus people already write something about this app. We'll see it later. And you can see the size of the app, only 33 megabyte, and 50 million plus people already download this app or use this app. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the install button. So it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.